Hi, hello everyone. And today we are going to discuss about the following mentioned concepts. The first one is JDK or Java installation process. The second one is Java class path setup, and then compile a simple program and then run a simple Java program. So, um, to run Java program, definitely our system must be installed with JDK. Then how you can find out whether your system get installed with JDK or not? So simple type command prompt. In that, simply type Java. Okay. Then press enter. So in my system already Java get installed. That's what I'm getting all these commands. If it is not installed, you will get one error like internal external command error. So then after Java, then type Java C. C indicates that compilation. So again, I'm getting this. So fine, okay. And after compilation, after installation, by default, Java C will work. And then one more Java P. P indicates packages. Okay, again press enter. So in my system, class path is also setting up. That's what I'm getting this. Basically, after Java C, after installation, we will get list of commands. If you are not setting class path, the Java P won't be work. So for that, we need to set the class path. So if you are as a learner, I hope you will not get installed with JDK. So from where you can download this JDK. Simply go to the browser. Okay, the browser will go back once and see here you will get and just type Java downloads in our browser. Then one official website will be there, Oracle. So just type Java downloads, then click on the first link. Then you will get like this. Based on your operating system, how to select. I'm selecting JDK 21. JDK 25 is also there, but I'm not recommended JDK 21. And then based on your operating system, select our operating system. My system is Windows. That's what I'm selecting Windows. In this, just select the second one, which is 164.45 MB. So click on that. Your exe file will be downloaded. Okay, and where you can see this downloaded file. After clicking this, you will get one. You will download one file. Okay, after download, simply open it and next, so that your Java is installed in your system. So how you can find out whether it is installed or not? See, simply go to C drive and then go to program files and then just find out whether the Java folder is available or not. So it is available. Then click here. Okay. So then here I'm installing JDK 19. If you are installed 21, you will get JDK 21. So again click in this and bin. Few folders are there. Again click on the bin folder. You will get list of libraries. So that as of now, JDK installed in our system. Now my point is how we can set the class path. Okay, so just click here and select all this link program file java slash jdk slash bin and simple copy this file location. Okay, then right click on the this pc, select properties. This process is for setting the class path. Then we'll get one option, advanced system settings. Okay, that is based on operating system and advanced system testing. Click here. Then one more prompt will appear here, and then here select environment variables. Click here again. Okay, then we'll get one more pop-up like this with the user variables and system variables. Now in my system already Java path is setting up. That's what there is a path, and in your system hope it is not installed. So that those who are not installed, just click on new, then give here class path. Okay, and then previously you have saved that link, simply copy paste here and then press OK. then okay, fine, close all these tabs. And even it is not working here, then again give the same thing in system variables also. Okay, if it is work in user variables, no problem. If it is not working, come and give the same way, take new and give class path as well as copy paste that link and click OK, OK. Then close all these things and go to the command prompt. Go to the command prompt and type Java P. Okay, you will get list of commands. So then your JDK installed properly as well as class path is also set it up properly. Fine. After class path setting, take one simple Java program. First, I close all these things. Now, I will take one simple Java program. Already taken one simple one, example.java. Okay. In the previous example, we had discussed about what is public static void main and system out.println. Every keyword I explained in detail. Okay. If you want, go and refer the previous video. So this is my simple example. Class name is example. Okay. So with this, I need to open the command prompt. So it is located in bootcamp folder. This is my class path example.java. So it is located where it is located. Just simply go and type cmd. Fine. So with that link, you will get automatically command prompt. Otherwise, another way is also there. So that you need to perform some steps like cd space folder name, cd space folder name. So to avoid that, without any confusion, directly type command cmd and automatically command prompt will open with that link. Okay, now for the compilation already in the mention Java C file name. Now what is my file name? Example. So example dot Java. If your this file or your program having any errors, it will show the errors. Otherwise, it shows like it means that your program is not having any errors. It is successfully compiled. Okay, after compilation, a JVM will generate one dot class file. Okay, like this example dot class file. You are creating only example dot Java, but JVM creates dot class file. This dot class file contains basically bytecode. What is bytecode? What we'll see later. Okay, now the compile is successfully happen, then move go for the running. So Java space again file name that is example. Fine, this is for running your program, and after that press enter. So finally we'll get like this: hi, welcome to Java. And I hope this is clear everyone. So now I taken simple program and installation is done. Installation and class path setting up, compilation, and Java a simple program. I hope you understand very clear. Uh, if you want, again, revise this video and install it properly and run Java program. Thank you very much.